Hi everyone, it's Mao. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple and easy polymer clay flowers. Okay, here are the tools I use: craft knife, needle tool, and modeling ball tools. A roller and a clay blade, round cutters, and a foam mat. I'm rolling out the clay to 1.5mm thickness. You can go either thicker or thinner, depending on how you want your flowers to look like. Same here. If you want a big flower, cut big circles. If you want a tiny flower, cut small circles. Transfer the circles onto the foam mat using the blade. This is the flowers I'm going to make. I will shape these lines using a metal ball tool. Let's shape petals. I'm going to gently roll the metal ball tool to enlarge the circles and form them into kind of hand fan shape. I find it easier to shape petals if I twist the metal ball tool while moving it on the circle. I am also curling the petal at the same time. Put a little bit of pressure while rolling the metal ball on the circle. It's really important your clay is well conditioned, but not too soft to handle, so it won't crack on the edges nor stick to the tools. Now these are ready to be assembled. Once I shape the petals, I adhere 5 petals on the base layer to make one flower. Using the detailing tool, I add a little bit of movement on the other side of the petals. Just make sure petals are attached well by gently pressing the center part. Now I'm going to make the flower center. I'm using black and white clay here. First, I roll small amount of black clay between my fingers. Place it on the center of the flower, then slightly flatten it by poking with a detailing tool. Next, using craft knife and white clay, I make some edging. Now I'm going to make stems and leaves. I'm rolling tiny amount of green clay between my thumb and index finger to make a shape like this. Then using the roller, I flatten the leaves. Really gently. You don't want to squish them out of the shape. Now place them on both sides of the stem. By the way, you can make a slightly longer version of a leaf if you like. I'm using this organic round cutter and some corn flour to stop clay from sticking to the cutter. I'm gonna just ruffle a little bit more the edge of the petals. Then I bake them at 130 degrees for an hour. And this is the final look. I added the stripy back layer after the first bake as the backside was a little bit messy. I think these are so pretty. What do you think? Let me know if you try making these flowers and what colorway you use in the comment. Thank you for watching. Bye!